Milo and the Rainbow Rain. Assalam-o-Alaikum, प्यारे बच्चों। वेलकम टू बच्चों की दुनिया और कहानियों का मेला। आज हम मिलते हैं एक छोटे गोलमटोल भालू से, Milo. Show Milo yawning, stretching and walking outside his forest hut. The sunny morning. It's a bright sunny morning in the forest. Milo is playing with his colorful ball. Milo laughing. Red, blue, yellow. Oh, what fun! He tosses the ball up in the air and suddenly dark clouds appear. Milo surprised. Oh no! Where did the sun go? Thunder rumble. Soft and funny, not scary. The rainbow rain. Soon it starts raining. But wait, this isn't normal rain. It's rainbow rain. Show colorful raindrops falling. Red, blue, green, yellow, pink. Milo, excited. Wow, red drop, blue drop, green drop too. He starts counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Milo counts each colorful drop and giggles as they fall. Friends join. And soon his friends come running. Tina the turtle and Rafi the rabbit. Tina. Milo, can we play in the rainbow rain? Milo. Of course! Let's jump and count together. They all jump in puddles. Splash, splash, splash. All together, singing. Red, blue, yellow, green. Rainbow rain is so much fun. After the rain. When the rain stops, the sun comes out again, and in the sky, a beautiful rainbow appears. Milo, pointing. Look, the rainbow has 7 colors. Rafi, counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Tina, smiling. Colors are magic when we play together. Moral and goodbye. बच्चों, माइलो ने क्या सीखा? कलर्स को पहचानो, नंबर्स गिनो और दोस्तों के साथ मिलकर खेलो. Milo, cheerfully. Red and yellow, green and blue. Counting colors is fun to do. अगर आपको माइलो की कहानी पसंद आई हो तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करें बच्चों की दुनिया और कहानियों का मेला, जहां हर कहानी एक नई सीख और मुस्कुराहट लाती है.